The T.F. Hudgens Compressor Service Center is a 24,500 square foot facility specializing in repairs, replacement parts, and engineered upgrades. One of the largest facilities of its kind, it is equipped to handle everything from the connecting rod out on most compressors. When equipment enters the facility, we photograph and document the as-received condition. Similarly, once all components are ready for final inspection, they are assembled, tested, documented, and wrapped for storage. Our facility includes a vertical turret lathe for facing of large components. It can take 72 inches under the rail and can swing 75 inches. Packing cases like valves are among the more common items requiring reconditioning. Typically, the repair scope will include blasting, wet fluorescent magnetic particle non-destructive testing, remachining of the cup counterbores, grinding and lapping to the required flatness. We utilize a purpose-built hydraulic piston nut removal and torquing machine for disassembly. All piston and rod assemblies are loaded into a lathe, and preliminary run-out readings on rod, piston, and rider ring grooves are taken. Once parts pass non-destructive testing, the repair scope is finalized. Our super finisher allows us to restore the original finish of your tungsten carbide coated rods, ensuring rods can be turned around quickly and with the correct finish. Piston and rider ring grooves are common areas of concern. We identify and advise customers when they have excessive taper and what their options are for repair or replacement. The facility manufactures and inventories a wide array of materials to ensure fast turnarounds on equipment repair. A high bay with 20 tons of lifting capacity enables repairs on large assembled units and can accommodate a flatbed so the unit can be directly offloaded. Additionally, we are equipped to perform wet fluorescent magnetic particle and fluorescent dye penetrant inspection as required. Large components are inspected on-site so equipment stays secure in our facility. We are passionate about what we do, and we welcome the opportunity to work with you to collectively improve your reciprocating compression equipment reliability.